So, Lindsay air compressor. The engine's based off the Merkel motor wheel. It uses the cylinder, the piston, not sure about the rod, and the carburetor, and the exhaust system. This is the engine side here, and this is the compressor side. As you notice, it's mechanically operated off a cam. The compressor, when it reaches up to pressure, there's an unloader valve that deactivates the push rod and stops pumping air. This is a nice portable unit. It's got a nice fold-in handle for taking it in and out of your garage, or it's an air cooled, has a fan there, if you can see. Spin this a little bit, you can see the fan turn, and it's a chain driven mag. If you're wondering about that chain there along the fan shaft, it's kind of interesting. It's actually the governor. When that rotates up to speed, that chain will come out. It'll swing out and activate this. Let's see if the it's a throttle linkage here that allows the throttle to close right there. There's the oil fill for the compressor. That's how you check your oil, your level. This is the starter, and that fits over here on the cam. And this wheel here is actually a grinding wheel for grinding your chisels, your tools, or whatever you need done. Well, these are reserve tanks here, 2 reserve tanks, and well, as you can see here, also says Lindsay, Boston. Got a compression release. This lever here, that'll lift up the exhaust valve, help you turn it over. Little air gauge. I got it set to about 80 psi right now. Well, let me try to start it for you. Jacob, open that valve up over there for me. That valve? Yeah. Yeah, turn it. Go ahead. Keep going. Okay, shut it. Turn it till it stops. Turn it. Turn it where it was. No more. Turn it so you can't hear no air.